There's a handful of new laws that you need to follow as of today. One may surprise you and have you asking why this wasn't illegal before. Public Law 129 now makes it a crime for an inmate or detainee to be under the influence of alcohol or a controlled substance within the Department of Corrections prison. That means those caught under the influence behind bars may face a $500 fine or an additional sentence of 90 days or more. Previously, the only punishment was disciplinary action. In enacting this law, Governor Leon Guerrero says it creates a greater deterrence and the threat of prosecution could be used in plea deals in the fight against contraband. As KUAM reported, just this year alone, there's been multiple alarming incidents of inmates getting their hands on contraband inside the prison walls, to include fentanyl, large amounts of meth, marijuana, and even a gun. The governor also passed two bills that would provide a pathway forward for Chamorro Land Trust leaseholders and applicants, a measure that authorizes free bus passes to those who lack access to reliable transportation, and a bill which allows a select few agencies to hire environmental law attorneys for their exclusive use. Meantime, she vetoed three highly debated bills, to include the Electronic Nicotine Delivery System Product Tax Bill. The governor says the measure would be difficult and cumbersome to implement because it creates a new and unnecessary taxing scheme specifically just for ENDS products. Leon Guerrero also vetoed the Public Auditor Bill that would streamline the judicial review process. She says this measure, as passed, would remove an important provision of the law that safeguards the separation of powers. The governor also rejected a bill that would have authorized a term extension for a lease between the Guam Ancestral Lands Commission and the AT&T Corporation. She shared concerns over the lack of a market value appraisal of the Dededo Cable Landing Station property. For the full responses to the signed and vetoed measures, just visit KUAM.com. Matsuki Hirayama, KUAM News.